My job as a school nurse is multifaceted, and statistics are embedded in much of the health data collected. Data input and reports are generated from the health electronic charting system that many schools use called SNAP. This essential tool allows nurses to choose pre-filled templates to chart health visits such as sore throats and stomach upset. And it also allows us to add key terms to a student's chart for certain conditions. For example, if a student has asthma and uses an inhaler, this is noted in their chart. A report can then be generated from SNAP to find out how many students in the school have asthma and carry an inhaler. Statistics can then determine what percent of students have asthma and what percent carry an inhaler. A similar report can be done with food allergies, epinephrine pens, ADHD medications, and anxiety and depression diagnoses. The State Department of Education requires an annual survey to be submitted with this type of data. Another area is the rate of immunization compliance. The SNAP system can generate a report showing how many students are not fully vaccinated, which vaccines are missing, and how many students have received the COVID vaccine. Gathering and analyzing data took on another level of importance during the COVID-19 pandemic. Attendance reports are generated each morning by the central office, and the nurse reviews all absences for illness. On a broad scale, absences can be studied by ratios of how many students are absent due to illness divided by the total student population. This can further be refined to studying specific illnesses and illness trends such as GI illness and patterns of COVID incidents. Another statistic capturing report developed during the COVID pandemic was an Excel spreadsheet for reporting COVID cases. Parents were asked to complete the form when someone in their household had tested positive. Specifically, they were asked for the date of symptom onset, the date of the COVID test, what symptoms manifested, and the length of illness. A similar Excel spreadsheet is used for reporting and analyzing concussions. The information collected includes the specific sport involved, the number of days absent, and the length and type of academic accommodations. My highs and lows this week. So I would say my low would be waking up much earlier to start the school day now that school's in session. But it just takes a little time to adapt to that. My highs in the past week, I would say, are when I took my mom to see a ballet up at Jacob's Pillow, which is a summer festival in Beckett, Mass. We saw the Miami City Ballet. It's something we do every year, but when COVID began, we had to stop doing that. So it had been 3 years, so it was a special occasion, and we enjoyed it very much. I am also going to try to include a link to the Miami City Ballet so you can enjoy it as well. Thank you.